Hello Animal Jammers, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to ask volunteers to help me find out some glitches in Animal Jam. I know a couple that I'm going to show them to you and my buddies. Okay. Wait, hold on. I think I have one open. Okay, let's go down here. Okay, here we go. No, 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 no. I need to ask my dad how to spell volunteer. Dad, how do you spell volunteer? V-O-L-U-N T-E-E-R to do a video W-N with me. Come to mind and volunteer to do no, right here. Just right here, just right here. Just right here. So no one's really coming that much. I said volunteer to, so no, oh, one person came to my den. And so that's good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That came up quick. I just need to unbody. Whatevs. You can be in the video. You can be in the video. I told them they could be in the video. Okay, let's start. I wanted to show y'all a glitch. I was gonna practice, but it didn't let me go down the slide earlier, but maybe it will this time. What I was gonna say is, let's see if it works. Okay, let's change into this animal and let's do facing that way. Okay guys, so we're facing up towards there. See if this works. Aha, see? I'm in a glitched position. You see? It doesn't have that on here. It doesn't have pointing down. See? I am now in a glitched position. Go ahead and check that out later. It is very cool. I think other people can. On to the next video. I mean, not the next video. The next subject is another glitch. What was it again? Huh. Oh, yeah. Okay. Hold on. I'm going to change this one again. I forgot the glitch and I have to do this over. See? And I'm not, hands off the keyboard. I'm not touching it. And if you do that, it actually works. And your pet does it too. Last time I did it, the pet just stood there. Now that's cool, isn't it? And there was one more thing I was gonna do, I forgot, but should we or should we not trick people? Or I'd rather get someone to be on the video and get it more interesting. I'm gonna say to Cotton. Okay, she's not gonna come, so we're gonna go to her. So I'm asking her, I need her help with the video. I don't think she's gonna respond. I think she's probably working on her den right now. Yeah, because it's basically empty. They're like, I need your help with a video. Okay, so I don't think she's like playing right now. I'm gonna tell her that she can be on a video. Okay, let's go where everyone can see it. Who wants to be on my next video? Cause on this video I'm gonna have no one, cause this is just glitches. Me, you, okay. Plushie store. Who wants to be in my next video? Come to my be in my bed. I don't want you rocks. Okay. was a good offer. It was a good offer. It was a good offer. No, you can't trade right now, really. Okay, I'm doing a big say hi. I'm doing a big say hi. Duh! Come on. Yeah. Okay, guys. So this wraps it up. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I will be giving away something today. If you just put your username and like, put your username down below and like, and I'll give you this bread. That's all you need to do. Bye. And like the video and play while